What's going on, everybody? We're here at the motherfucking Forever new fucking project that we run that back. We're here at the motherfucking Forever premiere, the new Blader Gang project at the motherfucking Lux Warehouse. This is Tim's facility. We're hosting a box jam. First place take all type shit. They get a goodie bag, all that. As you can see, we got a lot of dope ass people here that are skating. I'm happy to have everybody here. I appreciate all the support. Let's get it.
Give me that beat, fool. It's a full-time jack move.
Y'all know what this is.
Today I got time, girl.
How good the 90s on the board.
Once again, this song.
What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Just because the Mick don't have the mic doesn't mean the Mick don't have jokes. Make it a little dramatic. He's a badass. A lot of people look at him like, I'm afraid for my life. Not that dude has like crazy finesse on blades. His stock is rising. He made it to the finals, but he's not your winner. We love you, Derek Henderson. He's named after an award. The Oscars are a big deal, but he's not getting a gold trophy tonight. However, you'll see this guy catch more clips than you expect in the video tonight. Oscar Sosa made it to the finals. He's not your winner, but he's gonna sleep well tonight knowing what he put up in this video. That leaves two. Joey Longer and Corey Sneaky Waikiki, two people with entirely different skating styles. These people are as exactly polar opposite in trick vocabulary as you can get. But that doesn't mean either of them is better overall, but tonight, your winner, Sneaky! NorCal's finest! Skated the hardest! 3 times! Rocking that Steph Curry jersey!